For the filter, I'm using a 1000 oaks filter, and I'm using a plumber's 2.5-inch plumber's capping. And I cut the hole out in the top wide enough that the filter can go on and have room for the camera lens to see through. But you don't want to cut completely to the edge inside, because you need that part to rest on the filter, I mean on your lens. You don't want the lens to be resting on the filter itself, so you leave I think I leave about a 1/4 inch all around the edges, like all around here. So I leave about a 1/4 inch for the camera lens itself to rest on the rubber inside instead of resting on the filter. And those kind of thing you see on top, I just use extra glue to hold it between the rubber and the filter. So that's what that is. And as you can see, I'm all the way out to 600mm. Now you can easily remove this, because you could adjust these screws to tighten it or loosen it on the lens. So when it's time to remove the lens, or the filter I should say, it will be an easy task for you to do. So this is my preparation for April 8th, which today is March 29th, so a little over a week. I'll be going up to Vermont, and I'm watching the live video cam from Vermont every day. And most of the day it is snowing and raining, so I'm hoping by then all will be good. That's your connection from the GTI. A little over 1 week to go, so let's see what happened. Plan to drive from Staten Island, where I live. It's going to be about a 6-7 hours drive, maybe more. But I love driving, so that's alright. Again, I'm just testing the GTI to see how good it tracks. And again, you could see it's still doing a good job. It's moving a little. Now it's almost 50 minutes. Almost 1 hour. And it moves a little from the middle down. That's perfectly alright. That's perfectly good for a little mount like this. I don't want to use my big HEQ5 if I don't have to. I also have the Skywatcher EQM35, which it does an excellent job also, but I said let me try this one, since this one is even lighter than the EQM35. But that mount, if you have that mount, it does a wonderful job. I track for 30 minutes, no problem. So both mounts are good. I did not try the HEQ5, and I'm pretty sure it will do a wonderful job also, but that's a much heavier mount. So that's why I'm testing these lighter mounts out to see, and as you can see, it's doing a wonderful job. That's my setup, and today is a clear day. Can't show you the sun, of course, but you can see the sky is clear all the way around. And I'm praying and hoping on April 8th we'll have a day like this up in Vermont. And Trevor Jones, who I watch quite a lot of because he inspired me to start this hobby. He may not know that, but he did. I know he'll be going to further north. He'll be in New Brunswick, which is further north than where I will be, so I know that if I have bad weather, he also will have bad weather. So I'm praying that will not happen on that day. So clear skies, guys, especially on April 8th, because that's one day in a long time that we don't want to have clouds.